In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to log into your Shein account. Whether you're a frequent shopper or just checking out the latest trends, logging into your Shein account is an essential step for accessing your personalized shopping experience. Let's walk through this process together to ensure that you're all set and ready to go with minimal fuss. First things first, you'll need to open the Shein app on your device. If you don't have it yet, you can easily download it from your device's app store. Once it's open, you'll typically find the login option right at the top navigation bar. It's designed to be intuitive, so finding your way around should be seamless. Now, once you're on the login page, you'll have a couple of options to proceed. You can enter your email address associated with your account directly if you prefer manual input. Make sure to type in the correct email address to avoid any login issues. Alternatively, Shein offers the convenient option of continuing with Google. If you choose this method, simply click on the designated Continue with Google button. This is a great time saver as it links your Google account seamlessly, allowing you to skip multiple steps in the process. Now let's move on to the next step. After initiating the Continue with Google option, you will see a list of your Google accounts displayed on your screen. Choose the one linked with your Shein account, and if it's your first time doing this, you might need to grant some permissions. Don't worry, this is standard procedure to ensure your account's security and seamless operation. Once you select your email, Shein will begin the process of logging you in. Remember, ensuring that your account information is correct and updated is crucial. This prevents any unnecessary setbacks while logging in and accessing your Shein profile. Also, while this guide focuses on logging in via the app, the process is very similar if you prefer using a web browser on your computer or other devices. It's part of what makes Shein user-friendly and accessible across different platforms. And there you have it. You're logged into your Shein account and ready to explore all the fantastic features and shopping experiences it has in store for you. Now that you've successfully logged in, you can enjoy browsing, saving your favorite items to your wish list, or checking out with those must-have pieces you've been eyeing. Thanks for watching and happy shopping on Shein!